Miami, Florida. This is episode 1 of our grand 9-month adventure around the world. Miami is called the cruise capital of the world. The first time I heard that, I thought it was just a slogan. Now that we're here, we see it. It's perfectly located in Southeast Florida, which is the most convenient cruise starting point going to the Caribbean. In our case, around the world. We're two retirees hooked on travel. Follow us on our journeys around the world. The last time I was in Miami, it was over 20 years ago, and all of this is new to me. Seeing it from the water is mind-boggling. Every day, huge cruise ships line up along the harbor, and millions of people every year depart for their vacation. We're here just for a day, departing before our bucket list cruise. We really don't have much time to explore the city. However, after circling the globe for 9 months, we're going to end up back here, and we'll explore more of the city. Usually the best views are from the water. So we decided to book a harbor cruise to Biscayne Bay. This is an extremely popular thing to do while you're in Miami, and you'll find numerous tour operators offering different kinds of water activities. It's all located here on the Bayside Marketplace. It's a fun place to walk, to shop, have dinner, a cocktail, or a beer. Tens of millions of people that depart Miami every year from Miami, and this just gives you an idea. One day, the cruise ships are just lined up here. Some of these yachts are really interesting, like this one. It's so inconspicuous with the gray color. All these yachts. Talk about a lot of hotels and condominiums. The whole waterfront is just being taken over. They keep building too. Miami has completely been transformed in the last, 15, 20 years. That's a really nice apartment complex. Incredible views, nice decks. All these neat houses with the boats out front. That one has a boat lift. It's really neat. They have docks right here, and they can just keep their sailboats in front of their house. And this beautiful mansion right here. Boat just parked right in front of their house. It's not much better can I get than that. Oh. So, well, you can tell somebody famous lives there. Look at all the toys.
I like the picture.
Big swimming pool. The creature's on the roof. There's a colonial Spanish style next door. Like in some cases, their yachts are bigger than their homes. Oh my goodness. It's really protected back here. That's probably why they have it's protected back here. So
yeah, you can dial.
It's in between the islands. It's protected. It's not, you're not looking out at the open ocean.
and your docks. Everything is all protected. Some of those ships are just huge. They're like cities. Incredible. Just lined up, getting ready to load up. I mean, those cruise ships, they start anywhere between 1,000 up to 6,000 people per ship. So the empty lots are 5.5 million just with the empty lots. I mean, these homes are going for $30-40 million. So their yachts are probably dropping the bucket. So he has $10 million in plants. And this is the biggest house here so far. Apparently there's somebody else building a bigger one, but it's priceless. This home is the biggest one that's being built right now, and he owns a global communication company. Look at all the glass. I mean, you can get an idea how big it is when you see how the people standing there in comparison. Just can't get over these yachts parked in front of their home. This home right here, the guy bought several of them and he fixes them up and then puts them on the Airbnb. And they're $50,000 a week to rent an Airbnb. Look at that nice empty lot. That's a Rolls Royce parked there. This marina has some huge boats. Like the ones in the front are big yachts, but then the ones behind them are yachts too. But the ones in the front are just so big, they make the small yachts look little. Crazy. There's a lot of new apartment complexes here, everywhere. You want to see a container ship loaded up front? There it is. It's incredible how they can keep track of all those containers. I mean, there are so many containers on one ship, and they offload them here, of course, and they put them on smaller ships, but just don't realize how many containers on one ship. It's interesting how they unload them with these big cranes. It's the drawbridge.
Look at the little promenade.
Yeah. Bayside Marketplace. They have all kinds of shops, restaurants.
The night before our cruise, Royal Caribbean hosted a formal gala for all of us 680 fellow travelers that are going on the 274-day Ultimate World Cruise. The CEO of Royal Caribbean personally welcomed us on this journey. We'd like to invite you to come along with us. We're going to be visiting over 150 exciting ports, exploring all the 7 continents, and marvel the 7 wonders of the world. So just subscribe to the channel, click the bell so you're notified every time we post a video.
Yes, we've been waiting for 2 years.
Your rooms are now ready for your comfort. And once you drop your luggage, please proceed with the special brunch meal prepared only for you or this guest. Where is this going to be? It's going to be on deck number 4, main dining room. With some beautiful welcome champagnes, mimosas, and a beautiful meal. Sounds good, right?
All right.
Let the fun begin.
Okay, well, this is our first day, just getting into our room. This will be our home for 9 months. It's kind of like I was telling Zarko, pretend like it's a dorm room. You just sleep here, and then the rest of the ship is your living room. So the deck is going to be great. I'm going to spend a lot of time here. We can stargaze, we can see us coming in and out of ports, and just sit out here and enjoy the ocean view. Well, we've been on the ship a few hours, and we're leaving Miami. It's our first day of 200, how many days is it? It's our first day of a 9-month cruise. So right now we're excited. We'll let you know how we feel on our last day after 9 months. But it's pretty exciting. Our first drink, and we're leaving. In 9 months, we're going to be back here in Miami. Well, this is Carnival Cruise Line right behind us. They have a roller coaster on the top. Looks like a lot of fun for kids. It's a big ship, like probably twice the size of the ship that we're on. It's a busy harbor, huh? So it's 4:30 and we're in Miami, and we're waiting our turn to pull away from the dock and head out. And all the cruise ships are full, and they're heading out one by one, full of people going on vacation. From what I understand, it's hard to take off in those planes because the pontoons are heavy and they kind of grip the water. So it takes a little bit longer to get off. Biscayne Bay is impressive. It has some of the most expensive real estate in the world. It definitely has the neighborhoods of the rich and famous. Gosh, you think about how many places we're going to be going in and out of every day. This is Miami Beach area with the harbor on the west side. And in a few minutes, you'll see the famous Miami Beach. And here it is. You can see it as far as your eye can see.
Yeah, it's December and people are out in the water. It's really still warm. Yeah, that's a great view of Miami Beach.
Goodbye, Miami. We'll see you back here in 9 months. Tomorrow morning, we're going to wake up to Coco Cay, Bahamas. It's Royal Caribbean's private island. Be sure to tune in to episode 2 of our ultimate journey.